Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create pop-up effect in Canva. Let's get started. First, import the image into Canva. Since I've already imported the image, I'll add it onto the canvas and increase the background size to full. Go to the Elements tab, search for Curve, and add it to the canvas. Then, increase its size or rotate it. Go to Color and change its color to white. Next, duplicate the curve and enlarge the size of the duplicate. Move it down. Duplicate it again and move the new copy to the left side. Duplicate it one more time and move the last copy to the right side. Go to the Draw option and click on it. Choose the marker color as white and set the brush size to 100%. Then, use the brush to fill in any remaining areas with white. Click on the Share option, then Download, and select PNG. Click Download again. Once the download is complete, go to Color and select a linear gradient for the background image. Add the downloaded image to the canvas and increase its size. Go to Edit Image and click on BG Remove to remove the image's background. Scroll down and click on Shadow. Next, click on Outline to add a border around the image's corners. Set the line size to 8, then go to Color and set the line color to white. Go to the Share option and click on it. Click on Download and select PNG with a transparent background. Click Download to save the file. Add the downloaded image to the canvas. Go to Edit Image and click on BG Remove to remove the image's background. Add another image to the canvas. Go to Edit Image and click on BG Remove to remove the image's background. Crop the image slightly, then align it exactly with the second image. Resize it to be slightly smaller. Next, go to the Edit Image section. Scroll down and click on Shadow. Then, scroll down and click on Curved. The image will appear curved. If you like this image, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.